In this video, I'll be showing you how you edit your TikTok profile. Simple and easy, how to customize everything, to change your profile picture and all that. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. To do that, you hop on your profile like this and you tap on the edit button you see there. Good. And this section, you can just tap on the change photo to upload a photo that you're going to change your TikTok profile photo. And you can change your name that appears. You get it? So let me add age. And then you tap on the save to save that. You see confirm. And I'm confirming that it has changed, and you can change your username too as well. So Tafari, I can make a double I, and let's see if it's available, and it's available. And after that, you tap on the save to save that. For that change, I'm not going to do that. And also, when you change your username, it's going to change your TikTok profile link, and you can add a bio if you want to. If you have some links, you can add the links to this section. You get it? Tap on the save to save that. I'm not going to do that too as well. Don't save. And then you can see others here, which is, I think this is okay. And you can also do further changes when you move to the TikTok studio. So I don't use my TikTok for anything, just for tutorials. So I'm not going to do all that. But that's it on how you edit your TikTok profile. Simple and easy. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on TikTok. You can check that out.